More business shutting their doors tonight. Bowling alleys, vape shops, and campgrounds will all be closed under Governor Kim Reynolds' new order that she announced just today. It's all in an effort to slow the spread of coronavirus. State officials say an outbreak at a Cedar Rapids care facility is linked to the virus. The governor says that her staff has been prepared for a spread among older Iowans.
Iowans to know that we knew that this would be an extremely vulnerable population, and that's why we took very significant measures early on to start to really limit access, to protect, and to make sure that we were doing everything we can to mitigate the effect of COVID-19 on our vulnerable Iowans.
Iowa's public health officials say they are performing more and more tests at the state lab every single day. So who gets priority? Well, it's the folks on the front lines fighting the virus.
Part of the testing criteria for the state hygienic lab, essential workers are identified as a priority for testing through the test that the state has available, and certainly employees of long-term care facilities would fall into that essential workers category. We have also been facilitating testing at some of the facilities that have been identified with long-term care outbreaks by working with the state hygienic laboratory and local public health agencies.
Right now, residents at long-term care facilities are not being moved. Local public health staff are in constant communication with what each facility needs every single day.
Governor Kim Reynolds today went a little bit further in trying to contain COVID-19 in Iowa. She extended business closures to include malls, tobacco and vape shops, bingo halls, campgrounds, and adult stores, which Local 5 told you last week were still open. Despite these actions, the governor didn't do what a majority of states have done, and that is order a shelter in place.
And 3 more Iowans have died due to coronavirus, bringing the state death toll now to 25. 2 of those deaths were in Tama County. Both were over 80 years old. One happened in Lynn County. That person was between the ages of 60 and 80 years old. And here's the latest numbers of confirmed coronavirus cases in Iowa. 78 new cases have been reported, according to the Iowa Department of Public Health. That brings the state total to 946 positive cases reported in 75 counties. Now, on the bright side, 284 people who tested positive have recovered.